They traveled deeper into the country. Away from the familiar paths. Away from places meant for tourists. They were drawn by cheap bars, vivid colors, and the promise of freedom that seemed stronger the farther they went. They laughed when the bus stopped in the middle of the desert. They posed 4 photos, beside old churches standing, alone in dust and silence, as if forgotten by time. But the farther they moved from tourist routes, the more something began to feel wrong. Locals watched them differently. In bars, conversations stopped when the students walked in. Some people turned away completely, as if they didn't want to be seen near them. On walls and doorways, the students noticed symbols. Drawn in chalk, painted in dark strokes. Circles, crosses, shapes that made no sense at first. But they kept repeating, again and again. At night, music spilled out from the bars. Loud, chaotic, alive. But between songs, there were moments of silence that lasted too long. Long enough to make them uneasy. One of the students wrote in his journal, "Something is wrong here. People look at us like we've already made a mistake." Those words would be his last entry. On the roads, they saw processions. Groups of people walking silently, holding lit candles. No chanting, no explanation. The students assumed it was religious, a local tradition. But when they asked what it meant, the answers were always the same. Short, cold. Don't ask. And that was the warning. They didn't understand.